much for joining me again for this week's edition of Wellness Wednesday. My name is Jamie Kohake and I'm a counselor here with Beaufort County Community College. September is National Suicide Prevention Awareness Month, and we want to say something loud and clear. You matter, your life matters, and there is help. Struggling with your mental health does not mean that you are weak. It means that you're human. We all struggle sometimes. Please remember that there are people here who care about you, your instructors, counselors, classmates, friends, even people that you haven't even met yet, who would be heartbroken if you were gone. Please remember that you are part of this community and we want you to stay with us. Asking for help is one of the strongest things that you can do, and you don't have to figure it out alone. Talk with someone that you trust. Visit our counseling center or text or call 988 to reach the Suicide and Crisis Lifeline. This is the mental health version of 911. It's available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and is free. And if you're doing okay, please remember to take a minute to check in on someone else. A short text, a smile, a listening ear can really make a difference. Sometimes it's those little things that just keep someone going. No matter what though, know that you are more than your grades, you are more than your past, and you're more than what you're going through right now. You're needed, you're loved, and you are enough. Let's keep showing up for ourselves and each other, because together we can build a strong campus where hope lives and no one has to struggle in silence. Please join us next week by taking part in some activities that promote awareness and offer encouragement and support for others, including attending a meditation session in the LEC on Monday, coming to Club Day and joining us for our mental health check-in day on Tuesday, and then also come and join us for a workshop talking about sleep and nutrition on Wednesday. I hope that you all have a wonderful and supported week here at Beaufort County Community College, where you belong and you matter. Happy Wednesday.